Hello everyone, this is David from Minards Leisure World here in Weyburn. Here today to talk to you about our home decor and fun items on the side of things. Our supplier is called Splash. Let's take a little bit of a dip in the fun part of our stuff. On this display here we have some wonderful little ceramic birdhouses on the top shelf um, in the three different colors available. On the second shelf there's a few coolers, as well as a change box, venture fund on the front. Makes perfect sense to save up for the adventure. On the following shelf, a couple of little novelty items, bear, moose, tic-tac-toe, a chessboard with a bunch of wine and cheese items. On the next shelf, we have a few varieties of 16-ounce mugs. And at the bottom there, we have a LED strike ball game. Over here, we have some more wonderful Splash items. We have a portable smoker, grill your fish right out of the lake. A couple more mugs and cozies. These picnic plates are quite fancy. Gives you the option to hold everything in a single hand and still have all your food and your wine glass on the side. Along with some bug zappers, ladder ball, and the bear toss is actually just cornhole. Some recycling containers, laundry hampers, a few different home decor items with the welcome signs and lights. We also have the portable campfire. And then on the DMA side of things, which is more so your cooking items, we have a large assortment of grill baskets and s'more making and just the funner side of cooking at the campsite. With these panini presses, we do have some cookbooks as well to give you lots of variety in what you can make at the campsite, all very easy and a lot of fun for the whole family. So make sure to check us out or give us a call. We can help you answer it either here in our Weyburn location or up at our Watrous. Thank you all and have a great day.